Okay, first slide. So I just tried to make it a bit fun because that was what I was told to do. I think I took this really seriously in the beginning and then realised, anyway, so that was my little attempt. And so I'd like to thank Madam Speaker and everybody for this opportunity. Madam Chair, and can you tell it's my first time? And also just for the opportunity to be part of this debate. So I am on the con side to say that ART does not cause hypertension in HIV, and that's handy really because what I've got is my own personal experience and my experience of working with the community. And with my own personal experience, I'm living with HIV 30 plus years, and I was one of those awkward patients who refused medication for a very long time. And I was supported by my amazing clinic, the Lawson Unit in the UK, through that, also through treatment for hepatitis C, which at the time was incredibly grueling, 2 pregnancies, which you can see now, a lot more grown up, and a life I didn't see that, I didn't think I'd see beyond my 30s, and so here I am now. And for me, a healthy lifestyle, regular exercise, I don't drink alcohol, I have a healthy BMI, and I think a luck in genetics really helped me out as far as hypertension is concerned. But I do understand that for some, even with a healthy lifestyle, genetics are against them. So, as someone who represents the HIV community, where we've been through years of different regimes, trials and side effects, to finally be in a place where we feel settled on our effective treatment in all of its many forms, the idea that it could be causing hypertension and maybe to possibly let's take another drug with more side effects is something to question, which is the importance of research and debate and this really, and information sharing. And as a community of people living with HIV, we are individuals with many factors that make up our physical being, just as there are many factors that contribute to hypertension. But I've looked at a little bit of research as well to back up my argument. And this is just 3 quotes from different pieces of research. You can see snapshots on the slide. There's the most recent research in January 2024, and the one from the impact study as well, which Jürgen showed, and then the study published in 2018 as well. So there, you can see them okay, I'm not going to go through those. So, and then I also did my own little bit of research, study, so with the community. And this is just from the Sussex Beacon where I work. So I happen to work in a place where we have a number of people living with HIV in the workplace. So I thought I could do a comparison of women living with HIV and women not, and their blood pressure results over a week. So I took their blood pressure. It was recorded every day at the same time in the afternoon. And I took note of such factors as age, ethnicity, BMI, smoking, alcohol intake, and if they were already on blood pressure medication as well. And so this is just an overview, but out of the 10 women whose blood pressure was recorded, only 1 had consistently high blood pressure, and she was not living with HIV. And there's just a few stats up there. And so to note, her contributing factors were her age, she was over 60, and she had a high BMI, and she also had a family history of high cholesterol. The 3 women, all living with HIV, all had normal blood pressure readings. They were all on ART, over 50, had been living with HIV 20 plus years, and none of them were on medication to control their blood pressure. So my conclusion, that ART does not cause, there's so many acronyms, aren't there? ART does not cause hypertension in HIV. So high BMI, diet, smoking, alcohol intake and genetics are the main contributing factors. And in my role and peer mentors role, the aim is to support patients alongside their medical professionals to make informed choices around comorbidity management. I'm aware that medication is needed in some cases, but not in all. And research is showing us that through monitoring and lifestyle changes, blood pressure can be managed alongside our ART regimes, and your lovely expert patients can take control of whether to take more pills or not, i.e. statins, which bring with them rising, sometimes unnecessary costs and possible horrible side effects, which we really don't want again. And to also add these lifestyle changes, weight loss, regular exercise, smoking cessation and cutting down alcohol intake have a lot of benefits on us physically and mentally. So and that's it. That's me. Thank you.